Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today, we will continue block 2 changes in a family and we will study S2 of this block. Be ready with all your essentials and please sit with your partner. Our aim for today is to be able to explain how a wedding brings about change in a family. Now, answer. Has anybody in your family been married recently? Then what happened? How was everyone feeling and why? You can answer to your partner. So, marriage is a happy occasion for a family. A marriage or wedding is a special occasion in which we get to eat special dishes, we decorate our house, and we wear new clothes. And the wedding makes everyone happy because everyone get to meet their relatives and children get to meet their cousins, sisters and brother, and they get to play freely and have fun. And a wedding brings a new member into a family and also brings two different families together, families of brides and grooms. And today you will listen to the story of Kabir's family, in which some changes have taken place after a wedding. And this is our topic for today, wedding in a family. We will learn how things change after a wedding. Write topic name with date in good handwriting. And here are some keywords. Wedding means marriage. Bride is a woman who is about to be married. And groom is a man who is about to be married. Nephew is the son of your brother or sister, or the son of someone's husband or wife's brother or sister. Wife's or husband's son of wife's or husband's brother or sister. And niece is the daughter of your brother or sister, or the daughter of someone's husband or wife's brother or sister. Try to understand this thing. Now you need to open your S2 from your workbook. With your partner, read the story and discuss the questions below. So I'm reading this story for you. Please listen it carefully because you need to discuss the answers of these questions. So let's start. Kabir lives in a joint family. You know joint family, where many family members live together, like parents, grandparents, uncle, aunts, cousins. So Kabir lives in a joint family. His uncle Sunil, uncle means father's younger brother, is our uncle. So his uncle Sunil got married last year. After the wedding, the bride came home to live with them in their house. Kabir had to give up his playroom as it was changed into his uncle and auntie's bedroom. Kabir did not mind because he really liked Priya auntie. Every day he waits for his auntie to come back home from office because she plays badminton with him and helps him with his maths homework. After that, she prepares dinner with the help of his mother. Kabir has become good friends with Priya auntie's niece. Do you know niece? Niece is the daughter of Priya auntie's brother or sister. So Neha is niece of Priya. So Kabir has become good friends with Priya auntie's niece Neha, who is of his age. The two families now celebrate festivals together. Now answer, how were Kabir and Priya related? What changes took place in Kabir's life after Priya joined the family? Why did Kabir like Priya? What changes happened in Kabir's family after his uncle's wedding? What changes happened in Neha's family? Discuss the answers with your partner. So, Priya is Kabir's uncle's wife. He liked Priya because she plays badminton with him. So, Priya is Kabir's uncle's wife. So, Kabir is Priya's nephew. Okay? He liked Priya because she plays badminton with him, helps him with his homework, with his maths homework, and makes tasty dishes for him. After his uncle's wedding, one member has been added in the family. So everyone had to make some adjustments to make room for the new bride and groom. And adjustment means to be able to fit into a new situation, whether you want or not, whether you like it or not. So when we try to fit into a new situation, that called adjustments. So some adjustments to make room for the new bride and groom. Kabir's mother got extra help in the kitchen. This is a change. Kabir's mother got extra help in the kitchen, and Kabir gets help in his homework. And Priya auntie also takes care of Kabir. The family now has a new set of relatives. New set means new group of relatives, we can say. The responsibilities of everyone in Neha's family increased after Priya's wedding, as the work that she used to do is now divided among the other family members. Because Priya moved to Kabir's house from Neha's house, so the work in Neha's house got increased after Priya's wedding. The work Priya used to do is now divided among the other family members. Now answer, what kind of changes happens in a family after a wedding? Are the changes in groom's family different from those in a bride's family? How? Do all families change in the same way after a wedding? What's your answer? So, each family is different, and so the changes after a wedding may not be the same in every family. Either a new member is added to the family or a family member leaves the family. Both the bride and the groom have new responsibilities for each other's family once they get married. And the responsibility of the other family members also changes, as it might increase or decrease. So how the changes comes after a wedding? After a wedding, new member added in groom's family, because bride moves to the groom's house and bride leaves her family. Responsibility increases. Two different families come together and roles of family members change. And in this picture you can see bride and groom. A bride is a woman and groom is a man who is about to be married. And now answer, why is it important to adjust to the changes brought about by a wedding? How can we do so? How can we adjust when changes come after a wedding? What's your answer? What will you do to adjust when a new member in your family added or leave after a wedding? Would you be comfortable or not? If you are not comfortable, then what? How will you adjust? Think and answer to your partner, or you can answer by yourself. Yes, it is important to adjust to the changes brought about by a wedding in order to live happily. And one can adjust to these changes by welcoming the bride and helping her adjust. So, this is about wedding in a family. After watching this, you need to read the topic given in your content book, finish your S2 and do PQ2. If you have any doubt, you can ask. And now think and answer. What will you do to make the new member in the family comfortable and happy? Think and answer. What will you do to make the new member in the family comfortable and happy? And this is your S2. Question 1. How has Priya brought a change in Kabir's family? Question 2. What kind of changes happened in your family after someone got married? You can write the changes happened in your relatives' family also, in your friends' family also. But please don't write that no marriage happened in my family. Don't answer like this. Okay. Question number 3 is, what should we do to adjust if a new person becomes part of a family after getting married? If you have any doubt, you can ask. If you will watch the video carefully, then you will be able to answer all these questions. But please don't be careless. Take care, everyone. God bless.